How will adding cremation services impact our existing funeral service offerings? Adding cremation to your funeral home can enhance and diversify your offerings, positioning your business to meet evolving market demands while maintaining the value of traditional funeral services. At FT North America, we've worked with many funeral homes that have successfully integrated cremation into their existing operations without undermining their core services. Here's how it impacts your overall business. Number one, diversifying your service portfolio. Cremation expands your service offerings and provides families with additional options to meet their needs. By offering cremation, your funeral home can cater to families seeking more affordable alternatives to traditional burial, families looking for flexible memorialization options such as scattering, urn placement, or keepsake products, those who prefer eco-friendly or simpler arrangements. This diversification positions you as a full-service provider, allowing families to choose between cremation, traditional burial, or a hybrid of both based on their desires. Number two, retaining control over services. If your funeral home currently outsources cremations to a third-party provider, bringing cremation in-house gives you greater control over the quality and timeliness of services, workflow efficiency and scheduling, your ability to offer families personalized cremation options, such as witnessing or customized urns. By managing the process internally with your own cremation retort, you elevate your brand's professionalism and trustworthiness while increasing profitability. Number three, enhancing memorialization options. Adding cremation services does not diminish the opportunity to hold meaningful gatherings or ceremonies. In fact, it allows you to create hybrid service offerings that preserve traditional elements families value, such as memorial services. These can take place before or after the cremation, with the urn present in place of the casket. Celebration of life ceremony, a growing trend that focuses on honoring the life lived with personalized themes and visuals. And burial of cremated remains. Cremation allows for interment in cemetery plots, mausoleums, or columbarium niches, providing permanent memorialization options. With thoughtful planning, you can demonstrate that cremation still allows for tradition, dignity, and personal touch. Number four, attracting new clientele. Adding cremation services can broaden your reach to families who may not have previously considered your funeral home. The rise in demand for cremation, driven by cost-conscious decisions, cultural shifts, and flexibility, makes it an essential offering for funeral homes looking to remain competitive. Offering cremation allows you to attract younger generations and families prioritizing simplicity and affordability while building lasting relationships with those families. Number five, strengthening your bottom line. While cremation often costs families less than traditional burial, it remains highly profitable when paired with complementary products and services. Personalized urns and keepsakes, scattering services, or specialized cremation memorials. Witness cremations, which add value and allow families closure. This ensures that your funeral home remains financially strong without reducing service quality. Integrating cremation into your existing services is about creating choices and value for families while positioning your funeral home for long-term success. It allows you to retain traditional offerings while meeting growing demand for cremation service. At FT North America, we not only supply reliable, efficient cremation systems, but also help funeral homes develop strategies to integrate cremation seamlessly into their operations. If you're considering this next step, let's explore how it can benefit your business and the families you serve.